If Photopea is refusing to load, and you're stuck on a blank white or gray screen, or you're seeing an endless loading loop, don't worry. In most cases, this is not a problem with your computer. It's usually a browser conflict. And in this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get Photopea working again. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and editing tips. Let's start with the quickest test first. Open an incognito or private window. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. This is important because incognito mode disables most extensions by default, which helps us find out if something in your browser is blocking Photopea from loading properly. Once the private window opens, go to photopea.com and wait a moment. If Photopea loads correctly in incognito mode, that's a huge clue. It usually means one of your browser extensions is causing the issue, especially ad blockers or privacy extensions like uBlock Origin or DuckDuckGo Privacy Essentials. In that case, go back to your normal browser window and temporarily disable those extensions for Photopea. Then refresh the page and check if it loads normally. Often, just turning off the conflicting extension is enough to fix the problem right away. If Photopea still won't load, the next step is to clear the site data and cache. Sometimes Photopea updates in the browser, but your device is still trying to use an older cached version, and that mismatch can cause loading failures or a crash loop. To do this, stay on the Photopea page, even if it looks blank. Click the padlock icon on the far left side of the browser's address bar. Then open Site Settings, or on some browsers, go to Cookies and Site Data, and choose Manage Cookies and Site Data. From there, select Clear Data or Remove All. Once that's done, close the tab, open a new one, and visit Photopea again fresh. If you're using Microsoft Edge and Photopea still shows a dead screen, there's another setting worth checking. Edge sometimes blocks the WebAssembly engine that Photopea depends on. Open the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then click Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll until you find Enhance Your Security on the web. If that setting is turned on, switch it off, or add https://www.photopea.com as an allowed site. After that, restart Edge and reload Photopea. Now, for another important fix, hardware acceleration. Photopea uses your browser's graphics processing to render the workspace smoothly, and if that feature is having trouble, the app may fail to initialize. Open your browser settings and search for hardware acceleration or graphics acceleration. If it's off, turn it on and restart your browser. If it was already on and Photopea still won't load, try switching it off instead, then restart the browser and test again. Sometimes toggling this setting is enough to get around a graphics-related loading problem. If none of those steps worked yet, the best approach is to test Photopea in a different browser, update your current browser, and make sure no VPN, antivirus web shield, or strict privacy setting is interfering with the site. The goal is to isolate whatever is blocking the app from starting. In most cases, one of these fixes solves the issue quickly. So to recap, start with incognito mode, check your extensions, clear Photopea's site data, review Edge security settings if you're on Microsoft Edge, and then test hardware acceleration. Follow those steps in order, and there's a very good chance Photopea will load normally again. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Photopea fixes or other software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.